Among the refugees at this camp, there are hundreds of lost children and orphans. Some got separated from their families on the long walk from Somalia. Others, like Abdi Salam and his sister Aisha, no longer have any parents. Their father died in Somalia's civil war. Then last month their mother was killed as well.
It's better here because back in Somalia there was war. We have no relatives there, so we fled here. We now have a foster mother to look after us.
In the camp's hospital, these children have parents, but precious little else. Drought and war mean that their bodies have been horribly weakened by malnutrition. And by the time they reach this clinic, it can be too late. The doctors in this clinic are working frantically to save as many lives as they can, but too often they have to register the names of their patients here in the clinic's death book. And inside, the names of the children who've died recently are registered by date, and on some days 2 or even 3 children here have lost their fight for life. And the causes of their deaths are registered there as a variety of illnesses and diseases, but the root cause is always the same thing: chronic malnutrition. Matinee Abdi Nunu is 1 year old and so frail that, like many of the children here, he's causing doctors serious concern.
We need food, water, medicine, shelter, and everything else that a human being needs. We are never going back to Somalia.
Hospital staff told me they're under-resourced and overstretched, and they need the world to help.
For anyone who is watching this, there is a great area of need, and we should all make an effort to make a difference to the lives of these children. They really don't even know what's happening in their lives right now, and they absolutely need our help. One refugee without hope is too many.
A donkey-drawn cart is the makeshift ambulance to bring in fresh casualties to this clinic. It's not only children, but the elderly who are vulnerable to malnutrition. This drought, the worst here for 60 years, is killing young and old alike. Ben Brown, BBC News, at the Dhadhaab refugee camp.